If you're new to crypto trading, one of the first things you'll notice on BingX is something called a trading pair. You'll see names like BTC to USDT, ETH to USDT, or SOL to USDC. But what do these actually mean? Let's get started. A trading pair simply shows which cryptocurrency you're buying or selling and what you're using to pay for it. For example, let's look at BTC to USDT. The first currency, BTC, is called the base currency. This is the asset you're buying or selling. The second currency, USDT, is called the, quote, currency. This is the asset used to determine the price of the base currency. So, if you're trading BTC to USDT, you're buying or selling Bitcoin using Tether, also known as USDT. Now let's look at the price. Suppose the BTC to USDT trading pair shows a price of 105,000. This means one Bitcoin is currently worth 105,000 USDT. If the price increases, Bitcoin is becoming more valuable relative to USDT. If the price decreases, Bitcoin is worth fewer USDT than before. This same concept applies to every trading pair on BingX. For example, if ETH to USDT is trading at 3,000, then one Ethereum is worth 3,000 USDT. When selecting a trading pair, choose one that matches the asset you already own. For example, if your account balance is in USDT, you'll likely trade pairs like BTC to USDT, ETH to USDT, or XRP to USDT. And that's how to read a trading pair on BingX.